Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a comprehensive review of the 10 kW Hybrid Solar Power System Complete Kit. We found this product online, and we've included a link in the description below so you can check out the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is this hybrid solar power system? This all-in-one kit includes everything you need to generate your own electricity: 18 high-efficiency 550W solar panels, a 48V 10 kW split-phase inverter with a built-in MPPT controller, and two 51.2V 206A lithium batteries for energy storage. This system is designed to provide you with a reliable and independent power supply, freeing you from reliance on the traditional electrical grid. Now, let's talk about some of the standout features of this kit. First and foremost, it offers a long-term investment in your energy independence, providing consistent power and added safety for your home or business. This means you can enjoy peace of mind knowing that you have a backup source of power, especially during outages. The hybrid solar system is also engineered for cost savings. Once installed, solar energy serves as a free resource, allowing you to significantly reduce or even eliminate your electricity bills. The inclusion of battery storage technology means you will have access to power even during the night or on cloudy days, ensuring that your energy needs are met around the clock. Another impressive aspect is the inverter itself. The ICE 48V 10 kW pure sine wave inverter boasts a high tracking efficiency of up to 99% and a peak conversion efficiency of 98%. This means you can maximize the use of your battery power without any waste, making your energy consumption as efficient as possible. This system is suitable for a wide range of applications. Whether you need power for your RV, shed, cabin, or even your entire home, this solar power kit is more than capable. It can easily run essential appliances like your TV, refrigerator, and air conditioning units, making it perfect for both everyday use and emergency backup. In practical terms, imagine being able to power your home without worrying about fluctuating energy prices or unexpected blackouts. You can enjoy the comfort of modern living while embracing sustainable energy